Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing how to withdraw your money from JustMarkets or JM. Let's get started. So first things first, you're going to want to log into your JustMarkets account. Now once you've done that, you have to navigate to funding. This will be an option that you can find in the three lines most probably on the top right corner. Once you've clicked on funding, go ahead and click on withdrawal. Again, this should be there on the list. Select funds and then choose withdrawal. Go ahead and select your trading account. Again, choose the trading account from which you wish to withdraw your funds. Choose the withdrawal method. This can be an electronic transfer, bank account, PayPal, whichever one you prefer. Go ahead and click which one you prefer, and there you have it. And just as quick as that, you now have successfully withdrawn your money. Of course, the rate at which you receive the money depends. It varies on which you clicked as your preferred method, because PayPal takes about 2 to 3 business days. A bank transfer can take up to 1 to 5 business days. It varies. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.